The weather is brought to you in part by the Water and Sewerage Authority. Water, use what you need.
The sound of rain on the roofs. It's been a strange sight. We haven't heard of that over the last few days. In fact, all across both Trinidad and Tobago, it's been cloudy and damp, but there's still a meteorological drought warning in effect. But back in 2010, on this day, the March 2010 drought began, and it obviously was one of the worst in 40 years. And the wet season then began late on May 28th. So could we be seeing a repeat as we go through 2019? There is a possibility with the meteorological drought warning in effect for us right now. But there is a lot of more cloudiness and moisture around for Trinidad and Tobago overnight. So looking for some showers through the night into the first part of your morning. So some damp spots expected around the Tobago through Castara, down towards Plymouth and into Mason Hall and Buku as well. And it will be a damp end to your day as well, with possibly just only a few showers late on Wednesday night. For those in Trinidad, also some damp spots expected first thing in your morning around Blanchisseuse, coming down into Arima, Valencia. Most of the eastern areas of Trinidad will likely be wetter than the western areas, so you will notice a lot of the clouds and the showers hanging around, getting around to Piarco, coming down towards central areas into Rio Claro and Guayagari. But if you're in San Fernando, you see a scattering of showers with some sunshine peeking through as you go through the day. So overall, if you're heading for eastern areas, you should walk with the umbrella. Highs will likely reflect the cloudiness around, no higher than 30 degrees Celsius for both Trinidad and Tobago. Through Thursday and Friday, it will remain quite mild in terms of the temperatures. Still, a bit of sunshine set to come through, but more sunshine expected by late Friday going into Saturday for both Trinidad and Tobago, with a ridge of high pressure building and the possibility of some Saharan dust maybe by early next week. Heading offshore, there's a moderate easterly breeze of 50 knots. A few whitecaps are expected well offshore in the Atlantic. You'll see there's 2-meter wind waves there, but closer to 1.5 meters in the Caribbean, with east-northeasterly swells of 6 to 8 seconds as we go through our Wednesday. And you'll notice that we also have just a couple of high tides for you, 8 a.m. and then at 9 p.m. Across the eastern Caribbean, the reason why we've been seeing a lot of the cloudiness is that we have an upper level trough just running from the northeast down towards the southwest, and on that side we're likely to see a lot more moisture and showers coming out of it. But further to the north, it's drier with a lot more high pressure in charge. Santo Domingo, only a few clouds, 30 degrees Celsius there, and also for Kingston hovering at 30 degrees Celsius. And for the eastern Caribbean, the further north you head, you pick up the brighter weather, a lot more sunshine for the Leeward Islands. And we talked about the cloudiness which will hang over the southern windwards, which will include Trinidad and Tobago and coming down to Georgetown as well. So tomorrow then, cloudy with some showers, but still quite comfortable at 31 degrees Celsius. So that's the weather, and that's it from me.